Kamusta guys? Welcome back to our channel.
And if you're new here, welcome! I'm Kat.
And I'm Pat, and we are the Drag Queens!
Today's video is about the Velvet Matte Liquid Lipsticks ng Skin by John Robert Powers.
Yes, and these 6 shades were given to us by JRP, so thank you so much po.
Okay, so kung gusto nyo malaman ano yung mga shades, and of course, kung, for comparison, skin tone comparison, meron tayong tisay dito, meron tayong morena, para makapili kayo kung ano yung best na shade na pwede nyong kunin.
Yes, and not only that, we did some difference which is for day makeup and also for night. Diba? Talagang ginagawa namin lahat para sa inyo. So, if you want to know more about the lip swatches and the conclusion and the giveaway of this video, then please keep on watching.
Ang available shade
Galing kay Skin by John Robert Powers.
Okay, so tatanungin kita, Pat, ano yung pinaka-favorite mo sa lahat ng shades na yun?
Well, for me, actually, gusto ko yung Burgundy Wine. So, yung ganda talaga ng shade niya. Nandun yung gusto ko ng hint ng brown. Andun din yung red. So, for meetings or for day makeup, ako gusto ko talaga siya. Ang ganda.
Pero yung sinosot mo ngayon ay...
Pero ang suot ko ngayon and bagay sa aking eye makeup is Terra Cotta blush.
Actually, lahat sila magaganda.
So, totoo lang.
Totoo, mahirap. Kumbaga, bawat shade may binabagayang eye look din. So, binagay ko na lang sa eye look and yung day look. Ang pinili ko ay si Fresh Tangerine. And siya na rin yung pinaka-favorite ko actually. I know medyo siya yung pinaka parang neon.
Shocking.
Oo, neon orange, ganun. Pero okay siya for me. Parang sakto lang for tamang attention lang. Yan.
Tamang Attention by Kat 2019.
Bet ko yun! Nga pala, ang isang Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick nila ay 549 pesos each.
549 pesos each.
Yes. And pwede mo sila mabili online. Yung link nasa description box below. Okay, before tayo magkalimutan, meron tayong announcement and meron kaming giveaway. Anong i-giveaway natin, Pat?
4 shades of the JRP Matte Liquid Lipstick.
Okay, 4 yun, okay? Ilan ang winners natin?
2!
Okay, so isang winner, 2 shade ang kanyang mapapanalunan. Oh my goodness!
Oh my goodness! Super lucky naman ng winner na yan. Anong kailangan kong gawin para manalo?
For the mechanics of this video, it is very simple, and simple.
Wow.
Yes, di ba? Ang
Sobrang
daming
simple.
Sobrang simple niya. First step natin dyan ay mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel namin dito and i-follow kami sa aming Instagram.
When you're done, then you have to comment down below naman. If you're going to comment in our YouTube, you have to first put your favorite shade from all of the 6 shades that we just swatched a while ago, plus your IG username. Bakit ka?
Kasi, paano natin sila kukontakin, okay? Kasi, ang announcement ng aming winners, dalawa yung winners na aming pipiliin. Isa from YouTube or from this video, and then yung isa is from our Instagram post. So, hanapin nyo lang yung post na ito sa aming Instagram at doon kami mamimili ng aming second winner.
Yes. Plus, if you're gonna comment naman sa aming Instagram account, you can tag your bestie.
Yes, kasi dalawa yung shade na mapapanalunan nyo. And of course, itong channel nito ay tandem ng mag-best friend, ba? Diba? So, tamang-tama lang na, itag mo na yung best friend mo para kasali din siya sa giveaway.
If nalito ka, all of this are in the description box below. The giveaway is open up until the 31st of May.
And is open nationwide.
Yes, the announcement of winners would be announced on June 2 in our Instagram story. So, you better watch out.
You better not cry. Dahil meron pa kaming nakapilang mga giveaways for you. So, stay tuned lang sa aming channel.
And that is all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Okay, sana natulungan kayo ng video na to para mapili ninyo yung tamang shade na para sa'yo.
Lahat ng colors naman na yun, madadala ng skin ko at ng skin niya.
Nakita nyo naman yun.
Yes.
All shades complements all skin tone.
Yes, kaya ang dapat mong gawin is mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel.
Mag-like, mag-comment, at sumali sa giveaway.
Don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts. It is all posted in here. And then you can watch also our previous videos that are here.
That is all for today. We'll see you on the next one. Bye!